What are the requirements for a holographic will? Have you ever wondered about the rules surrounding a holographic will? This unique type of will can be a bit tricky, so let's break it down together. A holographic will is a document that is completely handwritten and signed by the person creating it, known as the testator. This form of will is recognized in some places but not in others, and its validity can change based on local laws. First and foremost, the most important requirement is that the will must be entirely handwritten by the testator. This means that every word should be written by hand, not typed or printed. Additionally, the testator must include their signature at the end of the document. This signature is essential for validating the will. Next, the document must clearly express the testator's intent to distribute their estate among beneficiaries. This means that the testator needs to specify who will receive their assets after they pass away. It is vital that this intent is clear to avoid any confusion later on. Another key requirement is that the testator must be of sound mind when creating the will. This means they should understand what they are doing and the implications of their decisions. Generally, this is presumed unless there is evidence to suggest otherwise. Now let's talk about legal recognition. Holographic wills are not universally accepted. Some states may requiring additional evidence, such as handwriting verification, while others may only accept them in specific situations, like emergencies or for military personnel. Unlike traditional wills, holographic wills typically do not need witnesses or notarization. However, this lack of formalities can make it more challenging to validate the will during probate. In some cases, the court may need to verify the authenticity of the will through handwriting experts or individuals familiar with the testator's handwriting. In the context of estate planning, holographic wills can be a simpler option for those who want to avoid the formalities of a traditional will. However, they may not provide the same level of clarity or protection. This can lead to disputes or challenges during the probate process, especially if the will is unclear or if there are questions about the testator's mental capacity. Holographic wills can be more susceptible to contests and disputes due to the absence of formalities and witnesses. Therefore, it is important for individuals considering this type of will to ensure that their wishes are clearly expressed. Additionally, having sufficient evidence to support the validity of the document can help prevent challenges later on. In cases where disputes arise, legal professionals specializing in elder law and estate law can provide guidance on navigating these challenges.